Hey everyone! If you want to learn how to use layers in Inkscape in 2026, this is the full beginner guide. I'll show you step by step how layers work and how they help you organize your designs better. First, open Inkscape and go to the Layer menu. Then open the Layers panel. This is where you manage everything. Next, understand layers, like stacked, transparent sheets. Each layer holds different parts of your design separately. Now create a new layer by clicking the plus icon. You can also rename it for better organization. After that, move objects between layers. This helps you separate backgrounds, text, and shapes easily. Next, use the eye icon to hide or show layers. This is very useful when working on complex designs. Now, lock layers to prevent accidental changes. This protects important parts of your design. After that, rearrange layer order by moving them up or down. This controls what appears in front or behind. Finally, use layers properly for backgrounds, text, and graphics separately. This is how professional designers stay organized. So yeah, that's how you use layers in Inkscape in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and your design workflow will become much cleaner and more professional. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more Inkscape tutorials for beginners.